I'm Sam, and I'm the operations manager here at Aloovi. What's Aloovi? It's everything for services. Order whatever you need with a picture or a video, then let other people bid to perform the task for you. If I could take a picture of my laundry pile and ask someone to fold it for me, and it actually happened, or mow my grass, do my dishes, fix my plumbing, change my oil, that would be Aloovi. We launched in Frisco with a goal that I think sits in a lot of our hearts, and that's to support our kids in school. I've met with several PTAs, and it blows my mind how low their budgets for materials are. The PTAs themselves are pretty amazing. They're more than just an army of box top cutting van drivers, that's for sure. So I went back to Aloovi asking, what can we do to support these schools? Is there a way we can get involved and truly help the system while growing our company? What I found was yes, we can. Aloovi is now donating 2% of every completed job to a school of the customer's choice. When a customer signs up, they just pick the school that they want to fund. So if the average box top is worth 15 cents and the average school earns $500 to $800 every year submitting the box tops, imagine what the Scissor Army can do with Aloovi. So how can you use Aloovi to fund your school? Hire a cleaning crew. If you pay $120 through Aloovi for the cleaning crew, and Aloovi donates, imagine how many box tops that is, at no cost to the customer. So what about service providers? Who are they, and do they get any benefit too? Totally. Aloovi service providers are community members just like you and me. Some of them have special skills on the side, and some find their regular work through Aloovi. There are two major benefits for a person to choose Aloovi over other major crowdsourcing platforms. First, our providers don't have to pay to find work. While most companies have subscription fees, bidding fees, and other requirements, we don't. Our referral fee at the end of every transaction is just 8%, way lower than the others. We also don't charge for providers to bid, and with the picture and video component of Aloovi, most service providers don't have to go all the way out to the site to make a bid. Aloovi keeps all their tasks in one place, no matter how many services they provide. Next, anyone can sign up to be a service pro. From errand running to ironing clothes, to fixing cars, and even general contracting, there is work for every kind of person, all in one place. We like to call Aloovi the new way of buying eggs from the neighbor, all while funding our schools. We take great care of our providers and listen to what they want to see in Aloovi. So that's the gist of Aloovi. Go to aloovi.com and sign up to support your school while making your laundry pile disappear. Want to make some side cash? Sign up as a service provider and bid on jobs in your category. I'll see you all next week.